Job Tracker is designed to be flexible and allows you to tailor screens and features to suit your unique business needs. This brief video explains how you can tailor the job screen to enable you to efficiently capture the information relevant to you. The quote screen can be tailored in a very similar way. In the job screen, click Ctrl and left mouse click on the spanner icon, top left of the screen. You will notice the border of the screen changes to red, to indicate that you are now in edit mode. Note, any changes you save to this screen layout will be visible to all of your Job Tracker users the next time they open the job screen. You can edit the properties of the fields within this top section of the screen. The bottom sections and the assigned staff table cannot be manually adjusted. To edit the properties of a field, press the Ctrl key and left mouse click the field you wish to edit. You'll see this new Customize window appear. Here you can adjust the field settings. You can use the up and down arrows alongside the width or height, or can simply type the size in the field and press Enter to visibly see the field adopt the new properties. In this window you can also adjust the field's location on screen. Editing the settings in this field determines the distance from the left border of the section in which the field sits. Just as you could with the width, you can use the up and down arrows alongside this to move the field left or right, or can simply type the distance in the field and press Enter. Keying in the distance allows you easily to align all fields in a neat column. There are other settings you can adjust here, such as marking the field as compulsory. This will prevent the user from leaving it empty when creating or editing a job. Below that, you will see the tick box to select to hide this field. Up here, you can toggle Hidden. This will show hidden fields. You can then remove the tick to unhide it at any time. Any information previously stored within that field will still be accessible via relevant reports. Click Save to close this window, and store the changes made to the properties of this specific field. Another property you can change is the background color of the field. This can help with highlighting fields containing particularly important data. You can, if you prefer, move the fields around using the mouse rather than opening the Customize window. Using the Customize window just allows for more accuracy. You can move the field labels around in the same way, using either the mouse or the settings within the Customize window. Another time-saving feature can be used here. You can capture default values. A very simple example is shown here, but if you first select the data type, you can then use this to capture the user's name, the current date and time, or specific items from your pick lists. The values can be changed when editing the job. This just helps save time if you find yourself repeatedly typing or selecting the same information. Job Tracker is specifically designed to help you save time and streamline your admin processes. Tailoring this screen is just one of the many features available to help you do this. Check out our other videos to learn about other features or give us a call to chat through your process.